Good morning, guys. It's what's up, you guys? What's up, you guys? Let's go down to work. Get me up too. So right now, you guys, I'm just having some cereal before going to work. That's what I'm having. So it's gonna be good. It's brown sugar. I need some brown sugar for shaddies. Yes, I love shaddies. That's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I am getting the sugar.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
So right now, guys, I'm just heading to work. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. So I just went to my sister's place and we dropped off my niece's coat. I called a fork and then we head out to there, my dad and me, so that's pretty cool and exciting. So I will talk to you guys when I get home. So right now, you guys, I'm just having something to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna have yet. I haven't decided yet. I need to really decide what I'm gonna have because I'm trying to figure things out. Ooh, ketchup. So that's what I'm gonna be having. I don't know what I'm gonna have, you guys. Comment down below if you guys have any suggestions on what to have. Because I don't know. I might just eat some leftovers. I had some yesterday. I might have some chicken nuggets and corn dogs, so that's what I'm going to have. So leftovers, yay! So I'm going to end today's video, you guys. It's getting late, so I really want to be well rested for tomorrow, just in case I have to go. So I'm going to have some buckleys before going to bed. How much are you supposed to have of this? I don't know. 5 to 10 milliliters. So let's get my buckleys in, before I end the video. So here goes nothing for buckleys. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Woo! Woo! That feels much better, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give me a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow to a new video. Goodbye. That tastes really gross, you guys. Goodbye.